This is a true story of how a small yet powerful gesture on the racetrack became a global beacon of humility and character. Abel Mutai, an accomplished Kenyan athlete, was competing in a cross-country race in Navarre, Spain. Known for his incredible endurance and speed, Mutai led the race and was on the verge of victory. As the finish line drew near, it seemed inevitable that he would claim the gold medal. But then, something unexpected happened. Just a few meters from the finish line, Mutai, unfamiliar with the Spanish signs, mistook a marker before the finish line for the end of the race. Thinking he had already won, he slowed down, raising his arms in celebration. Behind him was Ivan Fernández Anaya, a Spanish runner in second place. When Fernández saw Mutai stop prematurely, he had a split-second decision to make. He could take advantage of the mistake, sprint past Mutai, and claim the victory for himself. After all, no one would blame him for seizing the opportunity. Instead, Fernández chose integrity. He slowed his pace and gestured to Mutai, pointing toward the actual finish line. Mutai, realizing his mistake, resumed running and crossed the finish line first, securing the win that was rightfully his. When asked why he didn't take the easy win, Fernández simply said, "He was the rightful winner. He created the gap, and I couldn't take that from him." He explained that his decision wasn't just about sportsmanship, but about upholding his values. This story teaches us that true greatness lies not in standing above others, but in lifting them when they falter. It reminds us that success is not always measured by the trophies we hold, but by the values we uphold. In life, opportunities to win through shortcuts or at someone else's expense may arise, but the real victory comes from staying true to our principles. By choosing integrity, we not only honor ourselves, but also inspire others to do the same. Fernández's actions encourage us to see competition not as a battle to defeat others, but as a platform to bring out the best in each other. When we lead with kindness and fairness, we build a world where success is shared and respect prevails over rivalry. Let this story remind us to celebrate moments of goodness in others, to act with humility, even when we have the upper hand, and to never compromise our character for fleeting victories. True champions are not just those who cross the finish line first, but those who run their race with honor and heart. Please leave a like and comment what you feel. Share this story and inspire your friends and families today. For more inspiring video, please subscribe Positive Soul.